for that. That was really well explained. We have another question from Sarita Rawat. How to use AI with mentally challenged students?
Oh, fantastic. I am a psychotherapist. I have seen a lot of cases where people have got been in real problem. This is what I said. Any AI, any multimedia is repeatable as many times as they want. You can see how do they respond, which you cannot make it. You can make a interactive display system in which they can adapt, they can get, that's why I said adaptive learning. Whether you are highly intelligent or the dullest of the dullest, your emotional intelligence, your aspiration, your mentorship, your moral, ethical guidance, the safe space, non-safe space, what can be shown, what cannot be shown, all these can be interactively changed instantaneously when you have all these tools in your hand. But it's your credibility, your ability, how are you going to see? Human have got a level of patience, but understand mission doesn't have. So what you wanted to do with a child who has got less ability to learn, you will have to repeat it multiple number of times. Tell me, is it not better to use missions? But yes, they may not like your face. You can teach and tell all that what you want to tell with the face of a person who is really looking like their mother or most favorite person. So imagine Dr. TPS is talking, but you don't like Dr. TPS. You want your parent to talk to you like this. You can always make that mimic on the AI, right? The face can be your favorite person. So this is what happens in the classroom. The teachers can be replaced by the most popular cinema actor in the world, cinema actress in the world, the most favorite person for that young child. Don't you think that makes a lot of change for a mentally challenged person, the normal student, brilliant student? For everybody it is one and the same. I am sure, I think you should have very specific cases to interact and talk to me. Dr. TPS, that's my name, DrTPS, teachers, parents, students. I've spoke to more than millions of teachers, parents and students physically, not on these hidden faces like this. But I believe the interaction matters. Your facial expression matters. So I've gone to millions of people, students, teachers, parents like this, around the country, across the globe. So I know that what happens to a child when they listen. I have been to West Bengal, then talking about my grandma child care SHIKSHA Gurukulam, activity based programs. It's all activity based classrooms. I have seen somebody has got a huge potential to change their life, but that was not happening the way it has to happen. So I instantly took him as my assistant and told him, you are the most bright children, you are my assistant, you should teach. I have seen him how he changes. We can do that. Instantaneously we can do that. I am not able to put my website on my chat, but you can Google Dr. TPS, you will be able to get it. DrTPS, Google map, you can see my houses in Kerala and Hyderabad. That's where I operate from. Look at Dr. TPS on YouTube, you will see a lot of sessions on this grandma child care, early childhood education, adaptive learning, effective, E-Affective and A-Affective, two type of classes. You can see to PhD students who are starting from childhood, early childhood, 3-year age to the highest age, you can see this. And what happens is when I am talking to the child, I am able to adapt to their age, adapt to their knowledge. AI can do it much faster because incrementally you can add knowledge by asking questions. And the AI will ask you to respond to the growth and then immediately you can respond it. I am available on telephone number 950-20-38875. You can just Google, get my number, get in contact, specific cases, because I am into social service, I am into public service, I am into every day into classes. Probably today I spoke to more than 10 to 15 people. I recorded the discussions which I have to post them. What is happening today with all the abilities? Children are not able to communicate well. The English communication is bad. They are not able to decide after 10th class what is to be taken. After 12th, they are not able to decide which path to go for graduation. They keep contacting. I feel pity, the pity on the teachers, not on the students. I keep saying, you don't like physics because your physics teacher was bad. Get them to me for half an hour. I will show that you will start loving that subject. So all these ability to make a subject love, the students will start loving provided you show them in that mode of lot of enthusiasm. The credibility of a teacher is to share what she cannot do, he cannot do, adapting to the situations using all the tools available in the world. So that is more appropriate for people who are highly brilliant and probably who are not able to accept things in the normal fashion. We call it handicapped, or maybe you can call them as otherwise enabled people, extraordinary enabled people. They may not have eye, but all the other indriyas work much better. That's quite possible, and it is one of the best thing what is to be used in classrooms.